Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the first few steps of your string art project. You are going to need a pencil, a ruler, scissors, and your square. So I'm just going to clear some space for myself. First things first, using your ruler and a pencil, you want to mark off a 1/2 inch for yourself all the way around. So the way I'm going to do that, like if you look from 0 to 1, the 1/2 inch mark is in the middle. If I'm looking from 1 to 2, that 1/2 inch mark is in the middle. I'm going to mark for myself in 2 spots along each side, 1/2 inch. Then I'm going to use my ruler to connect those 2 spots. The reason that I do that and make a mark 2 times is so that my line is straight. If I measure from the edge twice, I know that I won't have a crazy diagonal because I go doop, boop. I know that if I have 2 points, the line between them will be straight. So you want to do that all the way around. I'm going to put the 1/2 on the edge. Mark 1. Place my 1/2 mark on the edge. There we go. And now I'm going to connect them. Check both sides before you make that line so that you know you're really straight. Okay, I'm going to do my last marks. 1/2 inch there, 1/2 inch there, and now make my line in between. Okay, so now I'm going to go around the sides and I'm going to actually mark 1/2 inch on all 4 sides here. So I'm going to take my ruler and I'm actually going to mark starting with 1. And I'm just going to, actually I'm going to start from here from my little corner and go, okay, 1/2, 1/2, 3, 1/2, 4, 1/2, 5, and I'm good to go. Same thing in here. I'm gonna line up myself at the end, and I'm gonna go 1/2. And I'm just making little tiny marks. I don't want to go too much inside here because I want to make sure that, you know, when I have all the strings in there, it looks cute. I don't really want to see pencil. I want to be able to focus on my string. Okay, 1/2. I'm twisting it around. Line up my 1/2 right there so I'm nice and even. That doesn't look right. There we go. Put a 1. Okay. 2, 1/2. 3, 1/2. 4, 1/2. 5. Okay? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to use my scissor really like I'm connecting the dots. And I'm going from the edge to the 1/2 mark that I made, and I'm not cutting beyond these first 4 lines that I drew all around the edges. So again, I'm going from the outside in one smooth motion with my scissors just to make one cut at the edge. I'm going to do this one, but I'm not going to cut right there so that I don't cut this corner off. So I'm going to start here instead. Cutting all the way around, and I don't cut past that edge line. If you're an eensy bit off, a hair or 2, it's okay. Try to be as precise as possible, but it's, you know, it's no big deal if you're like an eensy little bit off. You will survive and it'll still look cute. So you're going to cut all the way around, and again, as you get to the edge, if I cut this corner one on this side, I skip it on the next, and I go to the next one. Now, you are gonna have the part where you put pencil be the back of your string art. That way, when you start to put strings on here, nobody will see that you measured anything. They'll be like, oh my God, it's magic. So the same side that you drew all your marks, you wanna write your first name and your last name before you put it away in your envelope. It'll probably take the whole period for you to do all these cuts and measure twice before you cut once, right? So take your time and you'll be good to go and ready for step 2. Thanks.